Hi, this is Ramesh from Informatica, and this is a very quick demo on how to run SQL query against SQL Data Service using infacmd command line. As I said, the agenda is to show you how do we query SQL Data Service using command line option infacmd.sh. This little utility is very helpful in the scenarios where you want to do some scripting, or you want to just test the connectivity to SQL Data Service from your machine. A lot of time people use their own third-party client using ODBC driver or using JDBC to connect or submit query against the SQL Data Service. But in scenarios where you want to do some scripting, or especially in some troubleshooting purpose, if you just want to test the connectivity, this little tool gets very handy. So the way you run this command is, here the syntax right here: infacmd.sh space SQL space SQL execute execute SQL. That's the command, and it accepts like minus CS, where you provide the JDBC string, and then minus SQL, where you provide the SQL statement. Right below here you see an example which I'm going to run here on my machine and show you how does the output show up. So infacmd.sh space SQL space execute SQL, that's the command, and then say space minus CS, and then you say the JDBC string. This you can exactly as is copy from your admin console. If you click on the SQL Data Service, or then it will have a JDBC string. You can copy that piece from there, except that you have to provide the username and the password here to authenticate against the virtual table, and then space minus SQL, and here is where you submit your actual SQL query. Let me show you a quick demo by running this query on my server here. So this is my all customer virtual SQL Data Service. There's a table customers, and the schema is customer underscore schema, right? So I want to query this customer table. So we can just copy this JDBC string from here, just provide the username and password, and copy this entire thing and put it in this command here, right here, and then we can select put your SQL statement here. So let me just run this command, and this location is Power Center server bin directory, where my DIS is running on. So right here you see the output. Yep. So you can redirect this output into a file and do whatever, any operation you want to do with this data and anything. So yeah, that's pretty much I wanted to cover over this very quick video to show you how do you run SQL query against the data service using infacmd command line, especially for the scenarios. Very useful for the scenarios where you want to do your custom script, or you want to write your own custom script, or even for the scenarios where you just want to validate the connectivity to the SQL Data Service using this little very useful tool. I hope this video was little useful for you. We'd love to hear from you. If any feedback, please send us your feedback on support videos@informatica.com, or you can tweet us at twitter.com/infosupport. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.